Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Pad, and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So let's first start off by swiping down from the top of our screen twice, which will bring down all the toggles. Somewhere in here we should have our Do Not Disturb mode, but if it's not visible, as well, I don't see it, we might be able to add it in this case by clicking right here on this pencil, and I can already see it right here. So when you see the toggle, you want to hold it and the text right here will change. There we go. Once it changes, you can just drag it over and drop it above that text, go back, and this toggle will now be available to us. So from here, first time, I recommend holding it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to change some of the options, so they might fit you better. Now, going over some of them, we have things like the schedule mode right here. There's one pre-made. You can edit this one, or you can create a new one if you want to. We have exceptions for messages and calls, giving us options that, for instance, that would allow people to contact us or send us messages, anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And in terms of calls, we have the same options. And for calls, there's additional toggle, this one, repeat callers. And if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, if this is enabled, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. Now, this option could be good in terms of emergencies. Usually family members, when they have an emergency, they will spam call you, and with this toggle, they would be able to actually reach you. Now, one more thing that I do want to point out, or kind of maybe incentivize setting up, is a schedule mode. But not just any schedule mode, one that runs for a single minute. Now this might seem kind of redundant and moronic, but I will go into why we might be better off having one like this. So when you manually turn on your Do Not Disturb mode in here, this will run indefinitely. So you need to remember to go back in here and then tap on it again to turn it off. So if you forget about it, this would mean that this mode will just stay on. But by setting up a schedule that would run every single day of the week and set it up to turn on at a time where this wouldn't be annoying you, maybe 8, 9 p.m. I think that's good for me. So 8, I'm going to set 8:01 p.m. So just for a single minute. At that point, when I forget about this, the Do Not Disturb mode, at 8 p.m., the device will try to turn it on. A minute later, it's going to turn it off. So that just gives me a peace of mind that this mode won't be running indefinitely in the background. But as you already seen me before, to turn it on and off, you just need to tap on a toggle and here, and that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.